Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app makes it easy to locate restrooms and first aid stations throughout Disneyland Park and Disney California Adventure. Using the interactive park map, you can quickly find the nearest facilities, view their locations, and navigate to them during your visit. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to find restrooms and first aid in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for staying comfortable and prepared during your Disneyland visit. So first thing, open the Disneyland app, like sign into your Disneyland account if needed. Open the park map like inside the app. Tap the map icon at the bottom of the screen. Make sure the correct park is selected. The interactive map will display nearby locations. Okay, so now find restrooms. Like to locate a restroom, tap the category selector at the top of the map. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a lot of options here. Okay, choose restrooms. Okay, you have to find restrooms. Okay, browse the restroom icon on the map, tap any location for additional details, and that the app also identifies companion restrooms at participating locations. So find first aid, like to locate first aid, return to the map categories, select guest services or first aid if listed. Okay, so you have to find it here. As you can see here, we have many options. You will see the nearest first aid location and its details. Okay, navigate to the location, like after selecting a restroom or first aid station, review its location on the map, zoom in if needed, and follow the map to your destination. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.